Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade sangria. Get ready to craft a delicious and refreshing beverage that's perfect for any gathering or a quiet evening at home. We'll cover the essential components, from selecting the right wine to choosing the freshest fruits. You'll learn the simple steps to combine these ingredients for a perfectly balanced flavor. This classic drink is surprisingly easy to prepare, and the results are always impressive. Let's dive into creating your very own batch of this delightful concoction. Let's gather our essential ingredients. Start with a dry red wine like a Garnacha or Tempranillo as your base. Next, select fresh fruits such as oranges, apples, and berries. They add both flavor and visual appeal. You'll need a sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of sugar or a splash of orange juice, to balance the flavors. Finally, a touch of brandy or triple sec, about 1/4 cup, will give your sangria an extra layer of complexity. These simple components come together to create something truly special. Preparing your sangria is incredibly straightforward. First, wash and chop all your chosen fruits into bite-sized pieces. This makes them easier to eat and helps release their juices. Next, combine the red wine, chopped fruit, your chosen sweetener, and the spirit in a large pitcher. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed and the sugar dissolves. The most crucial step is chilling. Let your sangria sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Once your sangria is perfectly chilled and the flavors have developed, it's time to serve. Pour it over ice into individual glasses, making sure each serving gets a good mix of wine and fruit. For an elegant touch, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice, perhaps an orange or a lime. This not only looks appealing, but also adds to the aroma. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade sangria responsibly with friends and family. Cheers to your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.